Hi there, my name is Eric Dugan, founder of 3D Capital Management. Earlier this year, our firm made a decision that we were going to use LinkedIn as a platform and a tool to reach out, begin an engagement, share our message, and reach our target audience. Didn't really know where to begin, and thankfully, we met Anric and Laura Louise, and they have been fantastic. First and foremost, they care. They are salt-of-the-earth people, genuine, open, honest, caring, giving, instantaneous feedback. Anric wears his heart on his sleeve. Sometimes his filter is, not too much of a filter, but that's a good thing because he cares and he wants to help and he can help. So if you're looking for people that care and the people that have knowledge and resources and tips and hacks and can help you navigate LinkedIn and begin your outreach, I highly recommend Anric and Laura Louise. They've helped us, and I'm sure that they can help you.